Hi everyone, let's open these mystery boxes. So here on the left, I have the Disney Tsum Tsum mystery boxes, and on the right, I have Disney princesses. So for both of them, we're able to get 9 different Disney characters. So for the one on the left, we're able to get Mickey, Minnie, Goofy, Donald, Daisy, Lotso, Pooh, Tigger, and Chip. And for the Disney princesses, we're able to get Cinderella, Snow White, Ariel, Rapunzel, Aurora, Mulan, Jasmine, Belle, and then there's a 9th mystery princess here. So I'm actually really curious which one that one's going to be. So let's get started with the Disney princess boxes first. So for the first box, like I said, we are able to get 9 different Disney princesses. So I really hope that we can get 3 different ones. And the tabs right here. There's actually something inside. So it's a Disney princess card. So I'm assuming that this one's Mulan since it has the Disney princess card inside. But let's open the bag to make sure. And it is, in fact, Mulan. It's so cute! Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Okay, let's see. There's something else in the bag. Oh, it's a stand. That's really cool. Let's open it. And then we can put her on the pedestal. And it has her name on it. Mulan. Really cute. Okay. Let's put it right there. That is so cool. Alright, and we have the Mulan card to match. And on to the next box. Look for the tab. Alright, let's look at the card last. That way it doesn't give it away. This one. Belle! She's my favorite Disney princess. Wow, these are really detailed. Alright, and she also has a pedestal. It says Belle. And we'll just put her on there. It's so cute! Oh goodness, I love it. Alright, and then we also have a card to go with it. Okay. And the last one. I hope it's a different one. I really hope I don't get the same one, but if I do, it's okay. Alright. I accidentally took out the pedestal, so I'm going to hide that. And we got another Belle! Well, she is my favorite, so that's okay. It's so cute. love it. All right, let's open this. That way she can be on the pedestal. Oh, all right, had some trouble there. But I got it, and there she goes. Her little pedestal. All right. And of course, we got the Belle card with the barcode. So we were able to get 2 out of the 9 Disney princesses, and we got 2 Belle, and Belle is my favorite, so I'm not mad at all. I'm really happy that I got Belle, and Mulan is so cute. I love it, and I really hope that I'm able to find more boxes next time so that I can complete the set. So let's move on to the Tsum Tsum boxes next. Let's get started with the first box. So there's actually 10 different characters that you can get. This one is a mystery one, so I'm not sure which one this one will be. I really hope that we can get it though, that way I know what it is, because I hate not knowing. So let's open it and see what we get. Alright. That was really tough. The tab. It's Donald Duck! And let me see if I can open it. Oh, I don't want to break it. It's a little hard to open. And the Donald Duck comes out. Take him out. That's so cute. And then let's put him back inside. And he has the little sign. And this looks like a macaroon, macaroon cookie, and a cup. And then this is his house. Okay, let's put the lid back on. Here we go. And then also comes with the Donald Duck card. Let's open box number 2. The tab. There we go. And it's a pink one. It's Minnie Mouse. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, this one's harder than the last one. Okay, I finally got it open. Let's take her out of the bag. And her little tail. It's so cute. And she has a strawberry cupcake house. Put her back inside. And she has a slice of cake right there. And a mini strawberry cupcake. Let's put the lid back on. And inside, we have the mini card. Let's open the next one. This one is number 3. Hopefully we get a different one. This one is Goofy. Let's see. And let's take him out. And there he is. He has blue pants and a little green hat. And his house is a hot dog. And this is a can of soda. Put him inside. And let's put him with the other ones. And the next one, let's see what it is. And this one is Chip. And he has a nut house. Let's see if I can open it. Okay. Let's take him out. He's so cute. And he has a white tail. And then this stripe. Let's put him back in the house. And put the lid back on. And he also came with the card. And I forgot, but Goofy came with the card too. Let's open box number 5 and see what we get. This one's a pink one. This one is Lotso. Let's open it. Let's take him out of the bag. And you see his belly, his yellow belly. And he has a donut house. And if you can see right there, it's a pretzel. And he has a cup with a star on it. That is very cute. Okay, let's put him with the other one. And he also came with a card. Let's open the last box. I hope I get Mickey Mouse or Tigger. It's a purple one. I wonder what it is. Daisy! This one is so cute. And this one is ice cream. Let's open it. Let's take her out of the bag. And she has a little bow on her head. Her house is ice cream. And right here is a popsicle. And this is a pinwheel. Let's put it back in the house. And she also came with a card. So here are the 6 Disney Tsum Tsum characters that we got. Thanks for watching. See you next time.